enjoyed that video, you guys better check out
No, they better.
You better check out Tee's channel. So tell us about your channel. What do you do?
Mostly do editing tutorials, so but I kind of splash in
some really good comedy skits.
Some skits, some fashion, so well-rounded.
Yes, this is a girl that can do everything. So you guys be sure to check out Tee's channel. I hope you guys can subscribe and like on this, and you guys can also check us out on Instagram. I'll link all of it down below. And then, yes, we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.